Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 4 challenges, let's take up our 5th challenge now, which is summarize data with summary variables. So once if you launch your playground, click on this app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ, and here I'm just going to click on summary variables, and let's go back to our challenge and copy this variable name. So click on new over here and paste it in variable name. So for target object we are going to give it as subscription, and for aggregate function give it as sum, and for filter field we are going to give it as SPQQ product name, and operator should be contains. And let's copy our filter value which is given right over here. So copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, click on save, and guys now click on price rules followed by new. Let's copy our price rule name which is given right over here. Copy this and paste it over here, and for target object give it as, so we don't have any target object over here. So basically if you see here, this is new summary variable, just close this and click on price rule. So here you will find new, click on new and just paste the data over here. So for evaluation scope you are going to give it as calculator and check this active. Now click on save. So guys now click on new next to price condition. So for object give it as summary variable, and for tested variable we are gonna search suit subscription sum which is right over here. So scroll down. For operator we are gonna give it as greater or equals, and for filter type give it as value, and for filter value give 5. So once if it is done, click on save and new. So guys here for object give it as code line, and for field give it as product code. So scroll down, and here for operator we are going to give it as equals, and for filter type give value, and for filter value let's go back and copy this filter value name, so which is 5. So here we are having, so copy this and paste it over here. So once it is done, click on save, and guys now click on new next to price actions, and here for target object we are going to give it as quote line, and for target field give it as list price which is right over here, and for value we are going to give it as 100. So once if it is done, click on save. So that's all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.